beautiful beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. In today's video I want to show you guys this haircut that is really having a moment in the short hair industry. And you know, we've seen plenty of hot haircuts, so this hairstyle today is that latest trending style that is trending and is really giving that cool vibe. So one thing with this haircut is that haircut that is beautiful and a style that incorporates those shaggy and uneven layers for those messy styles on top, but it's also with that tightly bought sides. So this haircut that says yes, like mimicking the head of broccoli. Well, I say it's that kind of broccoli haircut, like having coils on top, you know. So it includes that side face that comes in various forms and is combined with a bow cut, like resulting in the new trend of style. So the haircut is versatile in many ways, and one thing with this style is that it's a low maintenance style that can fit a person of any age. It will take many years of your age. It will make you look younger. It is also a style that can complement any face shape or even your size. And one thing with this haircut is that it works best with a certain type of hair texture. Sometimes when you have those curly hair types, it will really benefit most from this type of cut. And the approach of this haircut is just to create that uneven length on the top, making the size shorter with these tight tapered sides. So you can see how that these coils can work all well for this particular look. And it's best to remember that it will always look different on each one. So I just want you guys to just sit down, pick up the popcorn and just watch this video to the end. You're not gonna regret watching. I want to appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you guys for staying locked to Wendy Styles, and see you in my next video.